What's your name?
Landon reacts and games. Okay. I know it's Landon games and reacts. Okay. So we're gonna show all our fidget toys. This is the first one.
No, it's not from the suckiest.
No.
Okay.
This is the first one. It spins for, I know exactly how much it spins for 4 minutes. This is the second one. Spins for 4 minutes. This is the third one. It spins for 4 minutes. This one spins for 5 minutes. This one spins for 3 minutes. This one spins for 13 seconds. Yeah, this one sucks. Okay, yeah, we had to make this video short, guys. I'll show you how long they spin. So bye. I'll show you in the next video. Oh, bye. Say bye.
Bye. I was gonna show him how much it spins.
We'll show them how much it spins in the next video.
No, I can do it right now.
But then that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, all at the same time.
Oh, okay. So
we better show them all spin at the same time. So we're gonna start with the suckiest one. Suckiest one.
Just
all
do
the way
them
to
all
the
at the
greatest.
same time.
You ready?
yeah. See which one spins the longest. Oh god. That one's already out. This one's out. Which one's stopping? I hear one stopping.
It looked like that one's going to stop. Then it's that one that look like it's going to stop.
Show me if it's actually pointing to the fidget one.
What? Yeah. It's missing a little bit.
Oh, these two are stopping.
Which one will stop first? Would it be soccer or lime green?
Oh.
Look like lime green gonna stop first.
The
Because
not going to stop first.
then it's soccer ball.
Okay, these two are out.
Soccer ball. 6 seconds. He go the round. About to stop.
The pink one? That one's pink.
That's pink.
Yeah. Okay. These three are out. These
Landon.
three are out. These three are out. Okay, that one's stopping.
The blue one stopped there.
Oh, this one's stopping. Oh, the blue one's stopping.
This one stopped.
That one, all of these are out. Let's see which one stops first. Oh, the blue one stopped.
I didn't get a good spin on none of them. To tell y'all the truth.
Yeah, we didn't get good spins on none of them. And it was upside down.
Wow. This was the winner for today's video.
Winner.
So if anybody was watching, after school, right when I get done doing my homework, he gonna come around to my house and we're gonna do another video.
We're gonna set up the tripod. We're gonna do a Odell Beckham challenge.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then when we get back, we might come to his house and do. If
Some
it's not
challenge.
before my basketball practice, we might finish this.
All right, bye.
So bye, I need to go home.